Happy Sunday, everyone. Time for your Sunday Science Tidbit. This week we're talking about weather in a different way with the Fujiwhara effect and the Fibonacci spiral. So you've heard me talk about the atmosphere is just like a fluid. It behaves that way with the different swirls, currents, interactions, and more. But let's talk about these two cool occurrences. Japanese meteorologist Dr. Fujiwhara discovered the Fujiwhara effect by studying water swirls and vortices back in the 1920s. The Fujiwhara effect describes the interaction between two vortices, like hurricanes or mid-latitude cyclones, that are close to each other in proximity, about 750 miles apart or less. The two systems will rotate around each other in a counterclockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. They will continue to rotate around one another until an outside system, like fronts or pressures, disturb the flow or until the two systems merge together. Now another cool phenomenon is the Fibonacci spiral, but first we have to talk about the Fibonacci sequence. It's a pattern of numbers where you add the previous two numbers to get the next number. So for example, we start with 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, and so on and so forth, and that's how you make the Fibonacci sequence. Now using the Fibonacci sequence with the numbers for size, we can make the Fibonacci spiral, which is made of quarter circles and squares. So how does all this occur in real life? Well, you're taking a look at a winter storm that came through February of this year, and you can see in the little inset box that it actually made a Fibonacci spiral. How cool, right? Well, it also occurs naturally in sunflowers, shells, pine cones, and galaxies.